I didn't stimulate my brain for 1 year. But seriously, I did not play video games for a whole entire year. I was able to have an extra year of discipline, concentration, focus, work, achievements, instead of spending 10,000 hours on video games like I already did and wasted a year of my life. As I'm working on this channel talking to you more often, I created a Discord community, and I don't mean to accidentally plug it, but as I was on my old account, when I was trying to log out, I noticed the same people I used to play video games with 1 year ago, and they were still on. They were still playing Minecraft and video games, and when I checked the group chat for 1 second, I saw they're still talking, they're still doing the things every single day. They haven't changed, but I have. And in 1 year, they stayed the exact same. Oh, and I went up so much higher than them. How did I do that? Like, they only played 1 hour when they were having free time and in their leisure time when they didn't have to work. How did I get so much? I didn't spend any time playing video games. It's that simple. I didn't spend time thinking about it, entertaining the idea, and constantly investing so many hours, and even if it's just 1 hour a day. As a result, that's 365 hours I was able to improve and be more dedicated and disciplined. Imagine if I spent 1 hour every day last year filming videos. Imagine where I would be right now. I'd be like 10 times faster to the results that I could be at right now. And it's all because of video games. It destroys your brain. It ruins your attention span. That's why so many people already clicked off this video when I started talking for 5 seconds. Because all this dopamine, video games. It's all because of that. It's not all because of that, but I'm kind of a crazy person. I'm not gonna lie. But you kind of have to be crazy to think that playing video games every day isn't gonna harm you. It isn't gonna damage you and hurt your potential. When you're staying stagnant like this, not able to make that extra leap, extra progress in your life because you're getting held back by this 1 hour video game, you're not able to jump to that next level. Nope. I want to self. Nope. Video game. Nope. Nope. You play video games. You're not going to do that. How are you going to improve? Nope. Video games. It holds you back. You keep thinking about it. And even if you do improve, even if you, you're not able to be like this guy who's all the way here, quits video games. Whoa. He's so much faster because he doesn't play video games. This might sound a little cringe. This might be weird. But it's weird and cringe when you say, oh yeah, what did you do over the weekend? Yeah, I just kind of chilled. I just played video games. They all love to chill so much. They all love to just play video games. But then those are the same people who say, oh, I've been working all day. I need 1 hour of leisure time to play video games. They're all complaining and coping and they can't change. But we actually can. We can actually change and boom, beat all of them. They're all, video games are good. Boom, we're just rushing right past them. We're circling around them, collecting all the goods and ingredients to stir up some amazing, delicious soup of success. Tastes extra flavorful. You use all that creativity, juices and stuff, all of that from what you learned in video games, and you apply it in your real life. Like, I don't even care what all of them say, all the people stuff. They can't go to that next level because they got to play with their Discord buddies. Friendship's key. When you're literally friends around people who do the same drug as you. Video games. Video games are drugs. Don't be a baby. But they can complain about this video and cry about it and make some comment, but they're literally not even at a stage. Oh, successful people play video games. Elon Musk plays some video games in his downtime, but you're not him. You're not at that level. You're watching a 16-year-old talk about video games and writing a comment. You're not at that level. And you never will be if you keep on doing this, 1 hour video game. Elon Musk didn't play 1 hour video games when he was working on his business, growing Tesla, driving around the whole world, innovating, making some electric car that goes zoom right past you. Well, they're just, yeah, let me build that car in the video game. Let me drive around my Fortnite car. Lamborghini, yeah. They're all wasting their life. End of video, bye. No, but I want to end this video because I know there's going to be so many people. They're like, okay, but how do I quit video games? And I'll literally tell you everything that I do to never play video games. Never, even when I do get some dumb thought in my little brain right here to play video games. What I do to not actually go play video games, go play the new Lego Fortnite. What I actually do is I just uninstall every single freaking video game. I give away my accounts. I sell my accounts for money. I literally make money, hundreds of dollars, from all the thousands of dollars I spent on Fortnite, from all the hundreds of dollars I spent on Brawl Stars and Clash Royale. I sell all my accounts, sell all my consoles, sell my Nintendo Switch, sell my Wii, and I literally make hundreds of dollars. Literally, if you want to make $1,000 super quickly, the real get rich quick, sell all your freaking video games and all your accounts, and you make $1,000, and you can use that $1,000 to buy books, buy whatever you want. Boom, easy profit. I don't care how much time and energy you spent investing in the video games. When you start, like, if you want to instantly shortcut your success, bro, just stop doing the bad habits. And video games is a bad habit. It really is. As someone who played it 12 hours a day, at any chance of free time, I could get to hop on a call with one of my buddies and blah. It's not worth it. It's not worth playing video games because you're just staying here. You're not moving anywhere else in your life. You're staying here. You're not able to. No, 1 hour. Nope. I want to play video games. Nope. It's not possible. And even if it is, even if any chance it is still possible to, yeah, I could still progress. You're not gonna be the same as someone who just doesn't play video games and just. What are you doing with your life? And fill up your day with useful, more beneficial things to do, because I know there are things you can be doing. I know there's a million chores you can do right now. I know you can clean your room. I know you can vacuum. I know you can dust the little shelves. I know you can brush your teeth. I know you can change your shirt, make your shirt nice, do your laundry. I know there is stuff you can do. You're not gonna die. Like, if anything, it's better when you don't go on screens. It's better. Your parents are right. Those screens are killing you. Those video games are making you fail all your classes. Like, yes, your life is getting worse when you play video games. And I wish I heard this a year ago, when my dumb ego self didn't think that all those video game people who say that it's not good to play video games, ex-video gamers. Like, you could literally say ex-smoker, ex-cocaine user, ex-video gamer. It's an addiction. How do I know they're all addicted? Well, they get angry when I talk about video games. They get angry when I tell them to, like, just don't play as much video games, and don't even play 1 hour. Just don't play video games and watch your life improve. And they get so angry about it. They start arguing about it. They start watching a bunch of 16-year-olds talking about video games and how bad they are. And they don't realize that their problem is hidden in plain sight. So have fun, level up in real life, and that's how you actually, for real, quit video games. And when I didn't play video games for 1 year, my life got so amazing. I was able to do so much more in my life when I didn't play video games. So yeah, if you found this video helpful or interesting, click this video right here. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more beneficial videos like these every single day. So yeah. Join my Discord community if you want. Bro, stop playing video games, alright? Actually do something with your life. Please, I'm begging you, please. It's so much better when you don't play video games. I'll see you.